Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, and you know it. It is a beautiful sunny day here on Södermalm. Well, actually, the weird thing is it's been raining all day except for now, so I timed this absolutely perfect. And so the sun just came through while I started to film. And not just that, I am realizing that I'm walking in the completely wrong direction here. I was supposed to go the other way. Sorry people, not a great start of this video. I got so surprised by the sun that I was like, let's just walk, but in the wrong direction. I am on Södermalm, everyone's favorite island. To be precise, I'm on Rosenlundsgatan, and this is a bit of a spontaneous walk. I did not plan it, but I was like, okay, you know, brought your camera anyway. So let's go for a walk. So Rosenlundsgatan past Södra station. And I'm just gonna walk straight ahead here and see what we bump into. It's nice and busy now. I think it's because it's like lunchtime. So a lot of people just going for a walk, you know, outside the office or for lunch or whatever. So let's see what we can find. Shout out to the chat gang. I hope everyone's doing great. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I'm feeling good today. I'm in a good mood. Especially a good mood to explore Södermalm, so let's do this. Just walking with the flow of the people here. It's always nice. Nice little park here on the right. Oh, volleyball net. I really hope you enjoyed the video in the Spårvagnsmuseet, aka the Transport Museum. It's kind of funny because in Swedish it's called Spårvagnsmuseum, which is basically means the tram museum or the rail. Yeah, there's a few different, can be light rail, the rail museum, whatever. But in English they call it Transport Museum. So more of a general transport. Which makes more sense because they also have buses and trains and trams. It's about everything, even like horse and wagon. So yeah, for me transport sounds more reasonable than just spårvagn, but maybe that's just me. Oh, I'm not sure what I think about this building here with those green big tiles. Jo, det är den. Ja. She asked for a certain street and I was pointing out, yeah, it's that way. To be honest, I'm not really 100% sure, but let's hope for the best. If I send her in the wrong direction, then I apologize. Skolväg is called school road in Swedish. That's not the word of the day. I'll come up with something better, but... Kulturreklam.se. Ah, so they have separate billboards for cultural advertisement. Oh, this is a funny little road. You know what? Let's go in here. See, this is already how many? 4 minutes in, and it's not going as planned. I have found another street in Södermalm where I've never been before. Good job, Daniel. So, today is the 1st of June. It is a Wednesday, and depending on how you look at it, it's summer, folks. The 1st of June is one of the ways to count the summer in Sweden. So I say it's summer. Some people say it starts at midsummer as well, which is the 23rd of June. But my philosophy is you can never have too much summer. So let's say from now on it's summer. And I'm looking at the weather forecast. It is becoming warmer and warmer. It's going to be 20 plus degrees, like in the end of the week or the beginning next week. So unfortunately, I'm not wearing shorts today. I don't know what I was thinking because I'm really warm and sweaty now. But that was because when I left this morning, after I dropped off the kids, it was actually cold and rainy. So yeah, in Sollentuna, that's also quite a difference. I like the sky, the so-called Simpson clouds. Simpsons. Do, 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 do. Okay, don't start singing, Daniel. That's not good. That's not good at all. Let me actually check on my phone what the temperature is. It's 12 o'clock. It's noon. Ooh, nice little alley, some new apartments on this side. Let me check. Okay, it is 16 degrees. Yes, and it's gonna be, I don't know if you can tell, but anyway, it's gonna be on Sunday, it's gonna be 21, so that feels more like a Swedish summer, 21 degrees. Okay, let's go across the street. There's a very drunk guy just tripping out on the other side of the street, so he's looking at me like, oh, what's happening? Don't want that in my video. Alright, so what they're doing here, rebuilding some of the street. Okay, let's go straight ahead here on Maria Prästgårds gata. The funny thing is that was actually that was the street the lady was asking for. No, you know what? I'm gonna take a right. Not really sure where I end up when I go here. Timmermansgatan. Oh yeah. I know where I am. Ooh, a police van. Either looking for someone or they just took someone. I actually think I'm quite close to Medborgarplatsen also. Not too sure. Ooh, I'm sweaty. Warm, warm, warm. Oh! And of course, we've got a deer. The most deers are here in Södermalm. There it is. We've been deer hunting. I should make a deer compilation at some point. Oh, a funeral agency. That's not what we want to see. Oh, people, I'm so sweaty today. I can't believe it. I'm even wearing like a hoodie. But it feels like, oh, I'm boiling. I know, too much information. Filipponat Café Cuvée, or something like that. I don't know how I did it, but I discovered some kind of new walk again here on Södermalm. And I'm even slightly confused of where I am. Which is a good thing, because that's what we want in Södermalm. Exploring all the streets. I should one day maybe like take a map and see which streets I've actually walked on. Ah, is that where we are? Swedenborgsgatan. Funny, funny. Let's just go straight ahead. See? Da Luigi. Said it many times before, Stockholm's best Italian restaurant, if you ask me. Well, no, let me rephrase, it's the best Italian restaurant where I've been. Because I haven't been to all of them. There's probably some expensive, fancy ones that I've never been. Nürnbergsgången. Interesting. Cool. Nürnberg, isn't that a city in Germany? So gong, that's an interesting word as well. Because a gong and an alley, for me in Dutch the word gang means like alleyway, like at home. So if you have like a narrow passage from one side to the house to the other. And this is also a narrow passage in Sweden, gong. I don't know if it comes from the same word, so it's quite close to grand, which means alley. But it's more like similar words that kind of mean the same, but not really. If that makes any sense. Okay, where are we? Högbergsgatan. Oh, let's go in here. This is nice. Someone's done some ugly tagging there. Graffiti. Not liking that. Ooh, another deer. Cool. Very nice. I like it because it's art. People know it. It's a thing. And also it doesn't damage anything. They're just, klistrat fast, som we say in Swedish. Som vi säger på svenska. So some of you have asked me, can you do a walk in Swedish? I can. Jag kan prata svenska om ni vill. Men jag föredrar att prata svenska när Olof är med. In other words, I prefer to talk Swedish one day when Olof is with me. Because he's a native Swedish person and I think the conversation flows better in Swedish if I talk with someone else that is actually Swedish. Because I'm actually Dutch, if some of you know, so I do speak Swedish. I can speak Swedish all day long, and I do also, no problem. I just think it's slightly better when I'm someone with else, so the conversation is, because for the simple reason I'm not so used to doing it like that, so I'm not gonna say it's scary for me, but it just feels slightly awkward, if that made sense. So here they planted a lot of new trees here. And then in front of us we have Medborgarplatsen. I don't think we should go to Medborgarplatsen, but it's nice. Just have a little look here. Some wonderful trees. A lot of people going for a lunch stroll, maybe to a restaurant or something like that. So let's go here. I know I've said it 4 times already, but I'm so warm today. Oh, this is so warm. The sun is right in my face and I'm wearing way too many clothes. So today is not going to be a long walk. Sorry about that. I'm gonna go back to Södra station. Fatbursbrunnsgatan. The street that Olof already told you some things about in the past in this area. And in front of us we have Södra Station. And that's the train station where I'm gonna go and head back to Sollentuna. Home sweet home. I mean, it's nice to walk, it's nice to go to the city, but it's also very nice to go home. Yeah, loving the sky today. Sorry if the walks are a little bit shorter lately, but I still think they're enjoyable. I just want to say thanks a lot for all the new subscribers, because the last days I've got hundreds of new subscribers just like that, and so welcome. Hope you can all join the chat gang. Every day at 1 o'clock we do a premiere, and in the premiere there's always a lovely group of people from all around the world that are very friendly and welcoming. So it doesn't even have to be about the walk, just chat about everything really. It's a fun thing. Stockholm Södra, let's go. Swedenborgsgatan. I think this is a good point to round up today's video here in the middle. So thank you for watching, everyone. I give you a thumbs up. Please leave a thumbs up as well on the video, and I see you all tomorrow on a new adventure. Bye bye.